Your suspension isn't just another part of your bike. It's the difference between control and chaos, between confidence and compromise. Suspension takes the hits, so you don't have to. But over time, oil breaks down, seals wear out, performance fades. That's where we come in. At Biked, we specialize in keeping your suspension running like new. Ship us your fork, shock, or dropper post, and we'll handle the rest. Tear it down, rebuild it, and dial it in. When you get it back, it'll be ready to handle anything you throw at it. Because a smooth ride isn't just a luxury, it's how you ride better.